Friends, today plastic bottles, milk cans, shampoo bottles, oil cans are lying in every house, which we consider as waste and sell at a low price. But today, the plastic waste that you throw away is converted into plastic 3D printing filament and sold in the market at higher value compared to raw plastic scrap. Imagine the opportunity between the raw scrap and the finished product if you were to process the same plastic yourself and produce high precision 1.75mm filament spools and sell them. In India, makers, engineering students, prototype labs, drone developers, and electric vehicle startups are all in need of local filament due to delays and high shipping costs of imported filament spools. So, if you are thinking of starting a manufacturing business that converts waste into technological products, then this video is for you. Yes, today in the video, we are going to see how you can start a small garage-based 3D filament manufacturing business. So don't forget to watch this video from start to finish. But before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market opportunity for 3D filament business. 3D printing is growing rapidly worldwide. Yes, today schools, colleges, startups, and even small factories are using 3D printers. Moreover, the global 3D printing market is already over $20 billion and is still expanding, especially in India, where the 3D printing industry has seen exponential growth in the last decade due to the many labs and hobbyist users, which has increased the demand for high-quality printing filaments. And today, most filaments are still imported or branded as expensive. So if you provide consistent quality and competitive pricing, you can attract buyers such as prototyping labs, colleges, and maker communities. Also, when you manufacture locally, import duties and shipping costs are eliminated, due to which you can make good sales even at competitive prices. Conduct market research. First, market research is essential to understand customer needs and identify opportunities for differentiation. Before setting up a manufacturing unit, you should focus on purchasing high-quality raw materials, machinery, investment, and safety regulations. Apart from that, market research should also be done on distribution strategies such as e-commerce platforms, reseller partnerships, and wholesale sales to industrial and institutional buyers. By conducting a thorough market research, you can identify gaps in the industry, understand competitor strategies, and define your unique selling proposition. Space required for business. Friends, you do not need a big factory to start this business initially. Yes, for a small setup, an industrial shed or a suburban area of about 400 to 600 square feet is enough. Also, the space needs a separate space for the shredding area, the discharge machine, the cooling line, and the spool winding. Most importantly, it should be a place where good, proper ventilation, safety equipment, and environmental compliance should always be followed while operating plastic processing machinery. And it is better to have 3-phase electricity for stable operations. Required licenses and registration. Friends, to start this business in India, first get an MSME or Udyam registration, and if you sell your product online or to companies, you need GST registration. Apart from that, get a basic business license from your local authority, especially since you are recycling plastic. You may need a permit from the Pollution Control Board. Apart from that, follow the safety rules for heating machines and have a fire extinguisher in the unit. Friends, these licenses may require some more depending on your location, and in other countries, these licenses may vary as per their country laws. So consult your nearest industry experts and find out. Select filament extruder machine. The main machine required for this manufacturing business is a filament extruder, and these small-scale models are available from Indian suppliers and also on platforms like IndiaMart and Alibaba. This includes a plastic shredder, extruder barrel with heater, cooling water tank, and spool winder in the basic setup. Generally, the price of an entry-level machine starts from depending on size and performance. In India, the price of the machine falls within the range of a few lakhs, depending on its capacity. However, this price is just an estimate and it can vary at any times. It is better to start your own business initially with semi-automatic models. The scrap source. Which plastics are best? Friends, not all plastic waste is good for this business, so it is important to buy high-quality raw materials. PET bottles are common and easy to collect, although HDPE caps and containers are also useful. But testing is needed. Therefore, you can build a supply chain by partnering with local plastic collectors, recycling centers or institutions, and depending on the location, raw materials may be available at relatively low cost. In addition, it is very good if you can collect PLA scrap from failed molds from laboratories. Production process, step by step. First, carefully collect and sort the plastic types. Then wash them thoroughly to remove dirt and moisture from them and dry them. The next step is to shred the dried plastics into small flakes and then feed the flakes into an extruder where they are melted at a controlled temperature. After that, the melted plastic is formed into a thin filament through a nozzle. Then it passes through a cooling water tank and then into a spool winder, and finally its diameter is checked and packed properly. Don't forget, friends, 3D printer users are very concerned with diameter accuracy, so use a good quality nozzle die and stable temperature control. Most importantly, the facility must meet safety and environmental regulations to ensure consistency of operations and product quality. Marketing and sales strategy. Friends, a good and strong branding and marketing strategy is essential to stand out in this competitive market. So first, create a professional packaging, labeling, and an attractive brand identity. Then target 3D printing labs, colleges, and prototyping companies to sell your products. Also sell through digital marketing including Amazon, Flipkart, and your own well-designed website, social media presence, and online advertising. Next, attending trade shows and providing sample filaments to potential customers will market your product well. Finally, providing customer support and after-sales service ensures your customer retention and positive word-of-mouth marketing for you. The 3D printing market is growing rapidly, and the sustainability trend is also strong. Imported filament is expensive and time-consuming, so the demand for local trusted brands is increasing. So if you plan wisely and focus on quality, this business can grow gradually. But don't rush. First learn the process, then start small and scale up slowly. Friends, if you like more manufacturing ideas like this, watch our other videos and tell us in the comments, would you try this business? So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.